I want to touch my edges, to recognize they are there, even when I want to go beyond them. I want to taste the deepest waters of my well, this lifetime and many. I want to swim in them, bathe in them, drown in them, be reborn in them. I want to listen to the music I make from my sorrow and joy. I want my embarrassment and reservation to be instruments whereby I play. I want my symptoms and worry to be known as growth, not illness. I want to jump into life, death and rebirth. I want to yell from the lowest and highest places, I am here. I want to be silent and observe when I feel uncomfortable and comfortable. I want to shake, wiggle, and dance when I am grieving and celebrating. I want to touch the heartbeat of life through the flesh of my raw and open skin. I want to surrender everything to know something and do it all over again. I am trying to remember. I've been trying for as long as I can remember. Crack me open, I shout to someone, anyone out there listening. Somewhere deep inside, I know it's me I'm talking to in my sleep. I reach out, seeking help, until I close my arms around myself, embraced by a hug I needed but abandoned. I keep reaching, like an addict looking for more and less. Where is the just right that I sometimes find at night, when the world is dark and quiet, and I'm still enough to lose myself, thereby finding the mystery woven within me. I've had glimpses of it in the sunlight too, yet this feeling of being alone and lost, scared to death of what's next, lurks in my oceans. I'm reaching, forgetting it's all inside, reclaiming lost and forgotten dreams. This whole time I've been praying, pleading, pleasing, and talking to myself. So much is lodged inside the memory of my muscles and bones. I sing so loud my voice cracks. My lungs pour their grief from their cages. Blood pours from my heart. I am alive inside. I want you to show me. This whole world feels constructed and birthed from the places I've yet to return. Long lost and forgotten like dreams, but the dreams are outside in what we call reality. I'm breaking open. My crystalline body mind is shimmering with renewed colors. The pieces are getting put back together. What happens when the outside mirrors the inside once I remember? Is that the new earth, heaven, people speak of? The coming of Christ, the lost civilization of Eden? Are we really polishing our own mirrors, birthing from the inside out? We've been working backwards, trying to find our missing pieces out there, the whole while not realizing the reclamation happens within. I surrender trying to remember, reaching out to grab something to put within. I wrap my arms around my chest. I breathe in oxygen. I am alive inside.